What's happening, everybody? Pally AK here. Got a new handgun today. Just picked it up from the FFL dealer. I was excited to get it. Ran down to the sheriff's office, got the coupon. Here we're in New York. We have to go to pistol unit and then pick up a coupon and then go back to our FFL dealer and then pick up the gun. So, well, first we have to do the NICS background check. After that's done, then he gives you the bill of sale or whatever, the FFL dealer, and then you take it to the sheriff's unit or the pistol unit at the sheriff's department. And yeah, that's New York State. I don't know how it is in every other state, but that's how it is here in New York. Obviously, the NICS background check, that's federal, but here we have to have it where we have to go to a pistol unit and then go back to an FFL dealer. Anyway, that's another conversation. Here we have the SAFE Act, and again, that's another conversation. So anyway, what's the important part is Glock 17L. Picked this up today. Again, like I said, I was excited to pick it up. I've been wanting this handgun for a while. It's safe, unloaded for all you safety nuts, so you guys don't go, fucking crazy about why I'm handling a gun and not checking or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's a Gen5 MOS. It's ready for optic. I haven't decided what optic I want to put on there yet. I love Vortex. I probably will end up putting a Vortex red dot because that's what I put on with all my other handguns and rifles. I'm not sure yet. But when I do, I'll do a review on that. But yeah, it's a Gen5 Glock 17L. It's a long slide. It's long, man. Front serrations. You can hook up a light on here. It's got the rail. Obviously, as you guys know, the Gen5s don't have the finger grooves, which I didn't mind the finger grooves. What else? I mean, all the specs and everything's on the Glock website. It's, what is it, 8.86 length slide. The barrel's 6 inches, 6.2. Overall is 9.45 inches of length. Yeah, I mean, surprisingly, I found this gun identical to my Glock 40, which is a 10 millimeter. I was assuming that this was the longest Glock. And here I got the other Glock right here, this is the 40. You see, I got the Vortex red dot on there. And if we do a comparison, it is about the same length. There. Same length. So, yeah. But the Glock 40, obviously, it's heavier. It's wider because it is a 10 millimeter, which I love. I probably will be doing a review on the Glock 40 sometime soon. But yeah, I want to do a quick review on this. I'll do a shooting review later on. I'll probably do one without any optics on there, but I do want to change the sights. I always change these stupid Glock sights on here. I don't know why Glock always has these plastic ones, but that's Glock for you. But yeah, it comes with 3 magazines, typical of what a lot of these Gen5s are coming with. Not all of them, but this one. It comes with the lock, and it also comes with these plates, which is nice, to have. You can, have something, when you're ready to put your optic on there. It's an adapter plate. You can throw that on there and put whatever you want to put on. And yeah, I'm excited to shoot this. I've been wanting this gun for a while. I found out that Glock was discontinuing it, and that was one of the other reasons why I picked up the 17L. And I was like, man, I gotta get this gun. For one, I love the Glocks. I own quite a few of them. And I like 9mm, big 9mm fan. Probably not as much as a 10mm. I love the 10, but yeah, it's ambidextrous slide release. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, got the ambidextrous slide release. The mag release is also ambidextrous. It can be swapped out. I don't want to say ambidextrous, but it can be swapped out, swapped to the other side. And yeah, it's got some you know, it's big, man. It's a long gun. It's a 17L, you know. And I imagine that from the reviews I've seen, they've been pretty good. I have yet to see for myself, but I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be disappointed. But yeah, just wanted to do a real brief review on the 17L. Hope you guys like what you've seen. Let me know. Thank you.